Hello my friend, I just want to show you my flower, gladioli. More deep blue. I use this stick to stop there because they're so tall. I just use the stick to hold them up. I grow here must be about five bulbs in there. Come out now, August time. I push on March or April time, and now they come out now. Each flower only lasts one day, that's all. Like this one, they got different flower. This one lasts for one day, and they slowly die off. My soil is clay soil. It's very hard to the ground so hard. But gladioli grow very, I think most of quite easy to place. I got this cosmos in the background as well. Cosmos. Look nice with the cosmos next to it. Behind is a sunflower. I come and show you another one down there. This one, see, this one probably need a stick to put on it because they're so heavy, quite heavy. Got the sunflower come out now, you can see. Look nice. Got some more in there. I bought this bulb from Morrison. A lot cheaper, I think. That's why. Here my cosmos and my runner bean. Runner bean grow. This morning my runner bean fall down. I got to use the stick to hold them on because the stick not strong enough. The cosmos, I show you, I grow by seed. When the flower gone, they have the seed here, and if you want to leave the seed on for this year, you got to get them very brown first. But if at the moment from August time, it's still more flower pop out yet. I just cutting this out, and the new flower will grow because energy not going to feed the seed, isn't it? The new flower keep coming. I put down there. I like the garden, just like the cottage garden. This is my compost. I show you my compost. My compost. I grow nasturtium. Got a lot of the caterpillar eat it, and the mint. I got the mint on the back, and the sunflower on here nearly come out. Hollyhock is all nearly die out now, but I just leave it for now. Come and see my sweet chard seeding there. A lot of seed. I like garden because it's more relaxed, isn't it? This is grow. grow cosmos. This one dead now. Dead head that. Dead head the seed. We'll throw in there. It's nice. You want to see my another garden? I show you my another corner in the local rice. Grow this. I got down here where I grow my friend marigold from seed. At the moment I start look at that, I grow the seed. This stock flower and Montana flower, and I do lupin flower. These friend marigold I grow from seed. They're very easy to grow. Depend on variety. I use for hang basket and thing. My sunflower everywhere, you see. I feed my sunflower. Look nice, I like it. Got the hedgehog in my garden as well, you know. Got the sunflower there. That one is a big one. The sunflower. This one big one in the garden. The bigger sunflower in the garden. I like that one. This corner, and just see the sunflower there. And I grow all from seed, because from beginning I not have greenhouse. I just use the plastic cover to throw the seed in the ground, and I got some all come up very well. Just can you see that behind the chair? Can't see, is it? There, it's quite nice. And I got the sunflower in the garden there. Cosmos. I love cosmos. I grow tomato in there as well. My tomato. And my dahlia. I love dahlia. Dahlia flower. I grow from seed. It's nice. Got some. And somewhere down there I show you. That's what the thing. And my dahlia. There. Another color dahlia. My daisy there as well. Here. So it's very nice though. Isn't it? It's very nice. And got some. Oh, I got the cat. My friend cat come in the garden. See, look at that one there. See, got the fuchsia there. And a sunflower. Very nice. I can hear the cat with the bell come in. I think it's a cheese, a cat. It's nice. That's it. My garden, like that, see. You see. Look nice, isn't it? You sit down and you're looking in the morning. That's what I like. I like garden, and I got a lot of friends who love garden, and we all share the seed. Meow 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 meow. Winnie, meow 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 meow. Winnie the cat come in our garden, but she lovely. Just looking. Winnie. I think name Minnie. I think. Where Minnie? Minnie. Oh, not see Minnie. I can hear the bell. Minnie. I got this water. Minnie. Oh, it's scary. I scare Minnie. Minnie. She's hiding in there. She's hiding. She's lovely. I like where they put the bell, because we got a lot of birds in our garden. Ah, Minnie. Run away now. Sorry. Let's see. Here we go, the thing. It's nice, isn't it? I show you the Minnie. I know. She loved to come out garden. There. I said, Minnie. Hello. See, it's nice, isn't it? Minnie. He go on the roof, our roof, and there. Minnie. This moment, can I see Minnie? There, going. Can you see? I don't know. I can't see now. There we go. It's quite nice. It's lovely cat, very friendly. Lovely, friendly cat. They go under there. Quite nice. See you? It's nice. I like it. My runner bean, I grow about, must be about nearly 10 plants in there. That's what my runner bean. And a lot of them come out now because it's orchard time, and a lot of runner bean in there. I'm not sure you can see or not. Yeah, it's very liquor one and full of the bean in. It's nice. Weather today is a little bit cooler. I think must be about 17, I think. Okay, thank you for coming and watching my video. Thank you very much. Bye. There, you sit down there. Very nice. And my there, make it nice. Okay. Nice. I sit down there looking my garden. See you. Bye.